Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying power and connection. This saves time. Measure the charger's output with a multimeter or confirm the printed rating because devices fail when voltage or current is wrong. Inspect the cable and plug closely for bends, corrosion, or loose pins. Replace if damaged. Once done, swap the wall outlet and a known good adapter to isolate the charger from the environment. These first steps separate cable, charger, and outlet faults so you can target the real problem quickly. Next, you isolate components methodically. Plug the charger into another device. If that device charges normally, the problem is your device. Make sure to check device settings for charging warnings, battery health, or software restrictions. Updates or background apps can throttle charging. For precise data, use an inline USB tester or multimeter while the device charges. Watch voltage sag or current pulses to identify weak cables or failing chargers. Once you gather this evidence, you'll know whether to repair, replace, or update firmware. Finally, act on the diagnosis. Replace the cable or adapter immediately if measurements showed weak output or intermittent current. If the device's port is dirty, power down and clean with a small brush and 90% plus isopropyl alcohol. Make sure it dries before powering on. For a degraded battery, plan a battery replacement or contact warranty service. Batteries lose capacity over time. And one key troubleshooting tip. If charging still fails after swapping parts, reset power management settings and update firmware. Software can mimic hardware.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.